Hi friends, let's begin. For this I'm going to use JAMP software, JAMP server. If you have not installed JAMP server, then first install JAMP server in your computer system. JAMP helps us to use our computer system as a server. Let me show you. Inside my LAMP drive I have HDD docs, and inside HDD docs create a folder. I am going to create a new folder, and the folder name could be demo site. Okay, I am going to use demo site. Demo site is the project folder, the root folder. Okay, inside this root folder we need to create all the required files. Okay, so let me open Sublime Text. For easy coding I am going to use Sublime Text. Okay, here I have created a new file and I am going to name this file. I am going to save this file as index.html. Okay, first locate your LAMP drive. Inside LAMP drive look for your HD docs folder, and inside this HD docs folder there is our root project folder, and this is my root project folder demo site. And inside this site I need to create index.html. When we visit a website, the server looks for the first page. The first web page is index.html. Okay, now let's save this, let it blank. We are not going to work with this index.html. Let me create a new file and save this as new user registration. Okay, dot html. Okay, now this is a HTML page, so let's default tags. Okay, inside body tag we are going to create our user registration form. Instead of creating a form, we are going to follow a different approach. Okay, so let's first create all the important fields. The first field is input, type is equal to text. Okay, let's provide one ID, and the ID is email ID. Okay, now create input type. Here we need to provide type password. Okay, ID is equal to pwd. We are not going to provide extra field to re-enter the same password. We are not going to do that. Instead we are going to provide now here the ID is, let's say, verification code. Okay, now create one button. Okay, inside button provide a ID, and this is sign up. Let's provide the ID as sign up. Let's provide a value sign up. Okay, now let's check how it is appearing. So first I have saved this, then I need to visit localhost 8080 slash demo site, and inside demo site is the root folder, and inside demo site I have new user registration.html, new user registration.html. let's load this. See, it appeared here. Okay, now let's stylize this. I am going to wrap inside a div element. Okay, div, let's provide a name, sign up page. Okay, let's call this sign up page. Okay, add a br tag. Okay, now let's save this and let's define style for this. Okay, for this we are going to use style tag, and inside here let's define the width of the container sign up page. Whenever we define a style for an ID, we need to include the hash symbol at the beginning of the ID name, okay, and its width is, let's say, 600 pixel, okay, and let's provide a margin of 50 pixel from top and bottom, and in horizontal let it set to, let's set to auto, okay, save this, let's see this, okay. Now let's set the width of these individual fields, okay. So how we are going to do this? We can simply mention input, okay, width is equal to, let's say, 85%, okay, and say margin, let's set margin of let's say 20 pixel, okay, okay, let's say each height is, let's say, 30 pixel, and let's say font size is 20 pixel, okay, color is, let's say, blue, okay, and walls, what else, and padding, let's give a padding of 3 pixel, okay. Let's save this, reload the page, okay, okay. Now what? Now let's provide the page name, okay. Now here, let's say here I need to provide the page name. H1 is user registration page, okay, and let me provide a style here, text align center, okay. Now it will place the text at the center of this page, see, okay. And now let's do the style for sign up button, okay. So button, let's say its width is 120 pixel, its font size, is, let's say, 25 pixel, let's say 20 pixel, okay, and its border is 1 pixel solid red, okay. Now save this, see, sign up button is appeared here. What we want, when we hover mouse over this button, its background color should change. So how can we achieve this? Button colon hover, now say background color, let's say blue, okay, and text color, say color is equal to white, okay. Let's save this, let's load the page and see, we are getting this. Let's, and also we may want to change the cursor style, okay. So now include cursor pointer, okay. Now it will point, see, okay, okay. Now user must know at which field he needs to provide what value. So how can we show that? We can show that using placeholder. Let's say placeholder is equal to, here the user needs to provide email, okay, and here the user needs to provide password, and here the user needs to provide the verification code, okay, verification code, okay. Let's remove this hyphen, okay. Now save this and load the page, see, now user can easily understand what value he needs to provide in these fields, okay. Now instead of these boundaries all around, let's change it to single line. Okay, what I mean is, here where input is that, let's say border none, okay, outline none, just give border bottom, okay, border bottom 1 pixel solid, let's say brown, okay, let make it 2 pixel. Save this and load this. See, now it is appearing very interesting. Okay friends, our web page is ready. Allow me friends, I am going to meet you in next video.